And weekly forecast and risk warning. Always a risk warning. Forex is a leverage trading, so there is always a risk warning. Those who are fast watching, subscribe our channel and click on bell button for further update. This week lesson, remember always do not trade without a target and a plan. You have to and you should be trade with a target and a plan, otherwise you cannot earn gain from the market. Well, this video is educational purpose only, and we'll discuss following pair: crude, gold, euro USD, GBP USD, euro GBP, GBP JPY, euro JPY, USD CAD, US 500, US 30, and others. And remember, this is technical and fundamental analysis. It might be changed during the week, so do not set your mind that it's going for buy or sell. As usual, our first pair is crude, and I say you do not sell until crossing this pink bar line, full bar. So there is no pink bar fully cross this bar, so valid y is still y is valid. So what's the next? Well, there is a double top, so price might be react from there. So keep in mind this channel, price will be okay. Okay guys, if price will be close a candle above this red bar 40.30, then y is valid, otherwise sell is valid after crossing this pink bar. But remember, always do not sell before this pink bar. And another pink bar, you can find this line also. So I'll give two pink bar. Okay guys, sell with after these two pink bar crossed, otherwise it's a nice head and shoulder pattern that can cross and mini a mile, and I see an head and shoulder pattern there. And look, you find this. Remember guys, it's a 4-hour chart, so we see a head and shoulder pattern. So must be do not cross this level, so you can buy from there. So lots of buy opportunity there. So I do analysis with you, and that's why you can also learn this analysis, how to create this analysis. So guys, we find this chart. Look at that. It's a very good looking head and shoulder pattern, so price might react and go to around my next target 245, or okay, we'll create our next target. So our next target is okay, that level around 45. So keep follow this. All the chart is moving now, so I will just click then again for ready. Okay, our second pair is gold, and what I discover about the gold, the future of gold. I draw the future of gold, and what you see in the gold picture, and it's going my way. So what is the next move? The next move, again it can be hit back around this level, so 1627, then it will go up. If break below, then it will go down around this level again. So gold is buying zone, keep buying until it cross 700, 1720. Yeah, 1720 cross, and do not buy from there, wait for a correction, then buy from around 20 or 27 or 17. And the market is creating bullish. So gold feature guys, keep follow my chart. Well, this is another important pair guys, and I say all the guys that it's a very important point of Euro USD, so be careful for buy and sell. Do not buy signal, just follow the chart. And it's creating a look at bottom top bottom top, so it's a sell mode. So well guys, I advise you, do not buy or sell Euro USD. Wait till market give a correction, then we will make decision. And still it's quite indecision in market, and creating a sell Samantha, and we find a head and shoulder, and market give a correction here and then, and it might be down towards 1.10775, this range, or till this range. So we correct our, so it's in the sell mode. Though it's sell mode, so wait for market opening and give a correction in Euro USD. Well, GBP USD, and also the falling trend, and what we might see this level, and keep wait to this level for buy, then market will reverse something, then again sell from there. So what we made for sell, For buying we may have to create this line. For buying, this pink bar have to be crossed. Okay, for seller, well, it's a selling zone, but do not sell until it hit bang again this zone. It is going for correction 123,900, then you can sell from there, and otherwise do not sell at present. Keep waiting for market reverse for buying. Well, our next pattern pair is GBP Well, it's the same structure that's made in GBPUSD, and I am buying from there, and 131 market will go reverse from there, then you can sell from again there. So guys, it's a simple decision. When it cross the pink bar, then you can buy, otherwise you can sell. If the market go for correction that level, keep your stop loss in that range, then you can sell from there. So we may create our sell position from there, and there. Keep selling till this level, then market will give a correction, a strong buy zone. So guys, wait for market a correction, then sell from there, and our target is still 130.191. Well, our next pair is EURJPY. It broke the channel and going if breakout, then it again enter in my channel, and we expect that it will go for a double top till there, and it do not touch this level. So what the next move? Okay guys, the next move we want to, if it go for correction is this level, then you can buy from there, or we may draw down a buy if this level again cross, then we can buy there. And if we make a channel from there on this level, or we make a big channel, we have to assume the market, because if you cannot assume the future, you cannot trade in this market. So okay, we'll assume to go down little bit, and then we can push for buying. And I think EURJPY, let's come to this level for buy level. Okay, follow the chart, and if it goes cross the pink bar, then you can buy, otherwise you can, when market go for correction, you can sell from there. And EURJPY, well guys, it crossed the level and closed below with a doji, and two rejection there, so market will go for sell. And how can we say this? Just say sell. Mm, for big buy, wait for the channel to be crossed, then we can shorts from there. So we make a short from there. Otherwise, if he hit back again and goes again, then you can and you can see this level will be crossed, and after crossing this level you can sell big. So wait for market a correction, then you can make a big sell or buy. If you do not cross the pink bar, then buy, and if you cross the pink bar, then you can sell. Well, our next pair is UK5 US 500, and look at that channel I have created, and it goes book the channel again. And if you cross the pink bar, then you can sell that level. To this level and buy from there again. And our target is buy again from 29.77 to 33. Well guys, our last pair is US 30, and US 30 is cross the pink bar, then give some correction and going down. And what's the next? Well guys, next our analysis says we can create this level for sell. Well guys, is if it cross this pink bar, then you can sell, otherwise it will hit back again and go for buy. And market give correction, so it might be going up, then it will find a reverse. Be careful about the US 30 because it's the stock market, so stock market move very fast. Do not trade if you do not have much in your balance. So guys, you can copy our trade and look at that our gain. We start from the 9 June, and less than 2 weeks we can achieve 164% per daily, 8.45%, monthly 164% gain. And we have deposit 284 and withdraw 294. We have 100% balance, and we have achieved $114 in this 1.5 weeks. And our long win is 95% and short win is 90%, and our maximum draw is 20%, drawdown is 20%. And you can see our trading pairs. Well, we analyze every pair, and when we get an entry, we will get an entry. We do not follow one or two pairs because this is not trading. This is world market and world economy. So whenever we get a chance in many currencies, we got an entry. And actually we copy trade start in RoboForex. You can see our trade probability 82.18%, and we used 1 week for trade. 3 investor already invest to us minimum 100% USD, 100 USD minimum deposit, commission 40% you us, and you got 60% of profit. And you can see this, we have 12 days of starting our trade and we already reach 82%. And look at that, our growth. So you can copy this link and invest there for our copy trade investment.